Hey, what are we drinking today?
We are drinking Pixan by Left Hand Brewing Company from Longmont, Colorado. It's a pepper porter. They say they're employee-owned, righteously independent. I don't know what that means. All right, so it's a porter with notes of dried cherry and plum, subtle smoke, roasty malt sweetness, and the warmth of chilies. It's 7.2%, 34 IBUs, and 12 fluid grams. Ingredients: Rocky Mountain water, malted barley, chili peppers, hops, yeast. Boom.
Oh. You know what else it has? The logo twice.
It does.
I thought you put it on backwards.
No, I didn't. They were established in 1993.
Oh, rain.
Rain.
I guess I'm just an idiot.
Rain. Yeah.
You gonna pour this or what?
Oh.
Did you ever get a glass? There's one.
Alright. Oh, here it is. Is it? Did I do it?
Go for the green square.
Oh. My finger's in the way. I don't like that. Oh, there it is. I don't know what you want from me. It's here, it's not here, it's in the thing, it's not in the thing. Here. What?
What?
What am I doing, Phil?
I don't know, Casey. What are you doing?
No, I'm smelling this beer and it smells delicious.
Yeah? What's it smell like?
Smells like a porter.
You don't get any other,
Is it sweet?
It's not picking up any peppers?
A little bit of heat, but not. I don't smell a lot of pepper at all.
There they are.
Yeah, there they are.
Now, it should probably be noted that this one's been allowed to age for a while, too.
I love pepper beers. Everybody's been doing them lately. I'm really into it.
Yeah, pepper beers can be really good when aged properly. The hard part is balancing the strength of the pepper with the flavor of the rest of the beer.
Oh, absolutely.
What often ends up happening, though, is you're at a brewery and it's so pungently pepper. Like, you may as well just be drinking pepper cider.
I had an excellent beer recently. It was a bourbon barrel beer, and it tasted...
Is it this beer?
No, it's not this beer. Damn it. But I mean, pepper beers are like really good.
Pepper beers are good, but they can be overdone.
They're not.
It shouldn't be a challenge.
Sweet. No, it shouldn't be a challenge. It should slowly build. Like, the more you drink it should slowly build.
This one has been aged, and that one, when I first got it, it was a bit more harsh. So now that I've let it age for about 2 months since I bought it, it's really come down. It's real mellow, and this is nice.
We had a lot of roast. Like, not... Like, right at the front, actually.
Yeah, we had this in the tent.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So it was, like, real roasty. So in the middle of summer, extra hot outside, what am I drinking?
What's that?
This.
Yeah. Fucking roasty.
Letting it age a little bit, though. This would have been good.
You're right, because I remember drinking this in the tent. You're right. That did happen.
That's why this one's not a first impression. It's just a review.
In my tent. I sleep in a tent in my backyard a lot. Like, a lot. That's a thing.
Don't. Did you break anything?
Not myself. I don't think anything's so. Nope. Everything's good. It's sweet when you first taste it, and then it's like smoky, kind of malty a little bit, and then it goes into like heat. Like, you don't taste the peppers, you get heat. The last couple of beers I had like this, I taste the peppers and I don't get heat, which is strange to me, but I love it.
Oh, I can actually do both on this one, but I don't know. I'm a pepper guy.
I like peppers. Me too.
I haven't had one where they taste just like peppers. Usually they're like overly spicy.
These are just chili peppers?
Yeah, I don't think it's anything super fancy.
Not like anything. It says it's seasonal. I don't know what for season. You said you've had it 2 months? It doesn't have a born.
Well, I've had it for a while. I don't remember where I bought it. You know how things can stick around for a while. But with how peppery it was when I first got it.
It literally expires in like a month.
Well, it doesn't expire.
It doesn't expire, but it's a Best Buy date. That doesn't hurt it though.
So, would you order it?
Would I order this? Hell yes, I would. I'd order it in the winter for sure. Maybe not like in my tent, next time. But maybe like at a campfire. There would be a little pepper, a
Well,
little
yeah, like a
fire,
fall.
a little pepper, a little fire, a little fall.
While everyone's
action.
drinking the pumpkin
Everybody's
spice.
drinking pumpkin spice shit. I'm like, ooh, I'm drinking that pepper stuff. I'm spicy.
I'm worried.
Ooh, I just got a really good barley wine.
It's always a part. See what's telling you. A light beer to you is like an imperial stout.
That's a light. Yeah, sure. I trust. That's true.
Look, that's an argument for another day. Cheers.
Don't drink and drive. Fuck faces. Assholes. Sorry. That's me being spicy. I don't know. That was it. I'm spiced out with that. That was a lot of work.